Hello everyone, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and today I am back with 27 most important multiple choice questions for the chapter of photograph. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको 15 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस विदाउट एक्सट्रैक्ट देने वाला हूं एंड रिमेनिंग 12 क्वेश्चंस will be on extracts. So let's continue. The very first question on your screen, what is the name of the author of a photograph? ये जो लेसन है अ फोटोग्राफ, उसके ऑथर का नेम क्या है, पोएट का नेम क्या है? एड्रियन रिच, सरोजनी नायडू, सुधा मूर्ति, सरली टाउशन. You can easily answer. Do tell me your score in comment section. How many of your answers were correct after attempting all these 27 questions? First one is Surly Towson. What is the correct option? Surly Towson. Next one. Which poetic device is used in the following line? Was there terribly transient feat? कौन सी पोइटिक डिवाइस, कौन सी लिटरेरी डिवाइस यूज हुई है इसमें? Which literary device is used here? Simile, metaphor, oxymoron, transferred epithet. So what is the correct answer? Transferred epithet. Next one. Which word is similar in meaning to wry? What is the meaning of wry? Sad, happy, displeased. None of these. Nakhus, displeased. Next one. This circumstance in the poem refers to. ये जो circumstance word आया है किसके बारे में आया है? Laughter of Betty and Dolly, the past, the pain due to mother's death. None of these. I hope you know the correct answer. The pain due to mother's death. That is the circumstance. What is the past of the poet? Mind it. There are two pasts discussed in the poem. एक poet का past है और दूसरा उसकी mother का past है. So the question is, what is the past of the poet? Sea holiday, mother's laughter, mother's photograph. None of these. Mother's laughter. Mine is her laughter. The poetic device used in both rhyme with the labored ease of loss. Labored ease. Two contradictory words are used here. Labored ease. Where there are two contradictory words used together, there is oxymoron. Next one. The sea appears to have changed less in comparison to. किसके कंपैरिजन में सी कम चेंज हुआ है? Remained the same. Mother's face, transient feet, a photograph. None of these. You can easily answer it. Mother's face. The sea appears to have changed less in comparison to mother's face. Next one. Who clicked the photograph? जब तीनों लड़कियां जाती हैं सी बीच पे हॉलीडे मनाने तो उनकी पिक्चर कौन निकालता है? Who took the snapshot? Cousin, Betty, Dolly, uncle. Who was that person? Their uncle took the snapshot. The word cardboard in the poem denotes. इस पोएम में कार्डबोर्ड किसको डिनोट करता है? An album, a game, a photograph. None of these. You can easily answer this question. A photograph. Next one. Who are the three girls in the photograph? उन गर्ल्स के नेम्स क्या हैं, वो कौन थी? Betty, the poet's mother, Dolly, all of these. ये तीनों थी. बेटी और डॉली उनकी कजिन्स थी. All of these. What was the age of poet's mother when the picture was clicked? पिक्चर क्लिक होने के टाइम पोएट की मदर की एज क्या थी? 11 years, 12 years, 13 years, 14 years. She was 12 years old. और उस टाइम तक पोएट का जन्म नहीं हुआ था. Which figure of speech is used in silence silences? If you notice, S, the word is repeated. इसके अलावा एक और फिगर ऑफ स्पीच यहाँ होगी. First, this answer, repetition, alliteration, anaphora, all of these. So what is this? Out of these options, alliteration. इसके अलावा ये personification भी होगा. Silence, silences. This poem tells us about. ये poem किसके बारे में है? Poet's childhood memories, a photograph of the poet, tribute to poet's mother, none of these. Tribute to poet's mother. It is a tribute to poet's mother. Who is the eldest girl in the picture? जो पिक्चर है उसमें 3 लड़कियां हैं, उसमें से सबसे बड़ी कौन सी है? द बिग गर्ल, बेटी, डॉली, द पोएट, पोएट्स मदर, पोएट्स मदर. नेक्स्ट वन, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एल्यूजन फ्रॉम द पोएम. एल्यूजन का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? ट्रांजिएंट फीट, कार्डबोर्ड, लेबर्ड ईज, इट्स साइलेंस, साइलेंसेस. ट्रांजिएंट फीट, टेरिबली ट्रांजिएंट फीट, transferred epithet. Labored is oxymoron, its silence, silences. Alliteration and personification. So ultimately only one is remaining, cardboard. Now we have already finished 15 questions. As I told you in starting, 15 questions हमारे होंगे नॉर्मली डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस होंगे, और उसके बाद जो क्वेश्चंस आएंगे वो एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन होंगे. So this is extract based question number 1. We have to finish 12 questions. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. It's silence, silences. अब इस तरह का ही टेक्स्ट आपको एग्जामिनेशन में भी आपके मिलने वाला है. हूबहू ऐसे ही टेक्स्ट आपसे पूछे जाएंगे, ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे. So you have to answer like that. आपको ऐसे MCQ दिया जाएगा, उसमें से आंसर चूज करना होगा. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु डज सी रिफर टू? यहाँ पे नाउ सी हैज बीन डेड, ये सी कौन है? हु इज सी? द पोएट्स डेड आंट? नहीं. द पोएट्स डेड मदर, द पोएट्स डेड कजिन, द पोएट्स सिस्टर. यू कैन इजीली आंसर, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पोएट्स डेड मदर. नेक्स्ट वन, why is there nothing to say about the death of the poet's mother? There is nothing to say, as the line says. Because the poet is confused? No. Because the poet was not in her senses when her mother expired. The death of the poet's mother has no impact. None of these. Impact तो था, तो ये ऑप्शन नहीं हो सकता. Because the poet is confused? नहीं. None of these, ये भी नहीं होगा. अल्टीमेटली हमारे पास एक ऑप्शन है, बिकॉज द पोएट वॉज नॉट इन हर सेंसेस व्हेन हर मदर एक्सपायर्ड. ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट वन, विच वर्ड इन द एक्सट्रैक्ट मीन्स द सेम एज इवेंट्स दैट चेंज योर लाइफ ओवर विच यू हैव नो कंट्रोल. ऐसा कौन सा वर्ड है जिसकी मीनिंग ये होगी, इवेंट्स दैट चेंज योर लाइफ ओवर विच यू हैव नो कंट्रोल? साइलेंसेस? नो. सिचुएशन? नो. सर्कमस्टेंस? यस. From the text, the word is there in the text, circumstance. The cardboard shows me how it was. The next extract. As I told you, ऐसे ही आपके एग्जामिनेशन में क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. The cardboard shows me how it was when the 2 girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and see the big girl, some 12 years or so. How old she was? 12 years. What does the cardboard here refer to? अब ये जो कार्डबोर्ड है किसके बारे में, क्या रेफर करता है ये? A thick paper on which the poet's photograph was pasted? No. पोएट का फोटोग्राफ नहीं था. A thick envelope? No. A thick paper on which the poet's mother's photograph was pasted? Yes. A thick paper on which the poet's mother's photograph was pasted. Next one, what does the cardboard depict? A scenery? क्या दिखाता है वो? The picture of a house, the picture of a school, the picture of 3 girls. Yes, the last one, the picture of 3 girls. Who is the big girl mentioned here? The tallest, the eldest, the poet herself? No. The poet's mother? Yes, poet's mother. Next one, the sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter, both rye with the labored ease of loss. ऐसे ही एक्सट्रैक्ट आपको एग्जामिनेशन में दिए जाएंगे और ठीक हूबहू ऐसे ही MCQ आपसे पूछे जाएंगे. So if you are enjoying this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if you are watching this channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. Question: Who is her in the above lines? अब ये जो लाइंस ऊपर दी गई उनमें से हर ये किसके बारे में है? द पोएट, पोएट्स मदर, बेटी, डॉली. About whom we are talking about? We are talking about poet's mother. Who is her? Poet's mother. Why is the mother's laughter the poet's past? अभी जो मदर की लाफ्टर है, जो मदर हंसा करती थी, पोएट के लिए वो पास्ट की चीज क्यों हो गई? Her mother used to laugh on seeing the photograph and she is no more now. Her mother laughed the same way as she does. Her mother laughed at the poet on seeing the photograph. None of these. The very first option. Her mother used to laugh on seeing the photograph and she is no more now. अब वो जीवित नहीं है. 24. Which poetic device is used in the above text? जो above text आपने पढ़ा अभी अभी, उसमें कौन सी पोएटिक डिवाइस यूज की गई है? पर्सनिफिकेशन, एलिट्रेशन, ऑक्सीमोरोन. नन ऑफ दीज. देयर इज ऑक्सीमोरोन बिकॉज लेबर्ड इज ऑफ लॉस. नेक्स्ट वन and the last one in this video, last extract in this video. We have remaining 3 questions, 25, 26 and 27. Do tell me your score in comment section. Don't forget to tell me. Some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. See, Betty and Dolly, she would say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. ऐसा एक्सट्रैक्ट आपको दे दिया गया और इसी से मिलते जुलते क्वेश्चंस आपको मिलेंगे. 25. Why did she laugh? वो क्यों हंसती थी? पोएट की मदर क्यों हंसा करती थी? Because of funny dresses they were wearing at the sea holiday? Because of cracking a joke? Because of uncle? None of these. The very first option, because of funny dresses they were wearing at the sea holiday. Who are Betty and Dolly? ये बेटी और डॉली हैं कौन? The poet's cousins? नहीं. The poet's friends? नहीं. The poet's mother's friends? No. The poet's mother's cousins? Yes. The last one, the poet's mother's cousins. These two are cousins of the poet's mother, Betty and Dolly. Now last question in this video. The synonym of photograph is. इस एक्सट्रैक्ट में ऐसा कौन सा वर्ड आया है जो सिनोनिम है फोटोग्राफ का? पिक्चर, बीच, स्नैपशॉट, all of these. So the word that is there in the text is snapshot. That's all in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.